Welcome to the epitome of automotive diagnostics, the best Autel scanner MaxiCom MK808S. As Autel's flagship model, the MaxiCom MK808S stands out as a factory-level scanner, enabling comprehensive all-system diagnostics for every car. Its cutting-edge features make it the unparalleled choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Elevate your automotive experience with the best Autel scanner of the year. As Autel's flagship model, the MK808S represents a significant leap forward from its predecessors. The MK808S offers a comprehensive auto diagnostic solution compatible with all advanced car makes and models. Boasting global coverage for 150 car brands, the MK808S is a versatile and cost-effective choice for automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its upgraded specifications include improved Android 11, a spacious 4+64GB storage capacity, 5G connectivity, and enhanced 2.4 GHz dual Wi-Fi. The addition of bi-directional control and FCA Auto-Auth for advanced cars sets it apart as a leader in professional automotive tablets. The MaxiCom MK808S is akin to a factory-level scanner, facilitating all-system diagnostics for every car. It excels in reading and clearing fault codes, providing comprehensive AQ information, offering a clear understanding of the vehicle's condition. With the Wi-Fi printing feature, convenience is at your fingertips. Experience auto scanning like never before, with the Autel scanner MaxiCom MK808S delivering 5 times faster results using Auto VIN technology to identify the vehicle's year, model, and make automatically. The Auto Scan feature takes it a step further, systematically scanning all of the vehicle's AQs and promptly detecting any fault codes. Unlocking advanced functionalities, the IMMO keys function allows for key reprogramming and remote disabling of lost keys, specifically catering to Asian vehicles with low-grade anti-theft systems. For an all-encompassing service experience, the MK808S offers reset services for 150 models globally, including oil reset, SAS calibration, IMMO keys, ABS bleeding, injector coding, and battery registration. Dive deeper into advanced services, such as resetting the steering angle sensor, managing service milestones, intervals, and the electronic parking brake, as well as resetting injectors. As an added bonus, the MK808S enables you to check the status of various car actuators, including windows, rear mirrors, sunroof, wipers, ensuring all components are in optimal condition. Upgrade your diagnostic capabilities with the Autel scanner MaxiCom MK808S, setting a new standard for automotive scanning technology. We hope this review provided valuable insights and helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Make sure to click the links below for more information. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below.